Okay, we're going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. We've got Harry, challenger,
Stop.
Dad, Spicer, and me, the cameraman.
You going to explain how this has come about?
Well,
Harry says it's easy.
Well, my brother, Harry, said it was easy, so we're going to give him a whole spoon of cinnamon.
You'll be in pain. Don't let it get in your lungs. Spit it out, spit it out. That's it.
God.
Don't breathe it into your lungs, it'll hurt your lungs.
Oh my socks!
You're right.
Oh God!
Did you get that video?